Yaya whines. Yay! Yay! Come along, let's sing and play. Meet the animals on our way. Lion roars with mighty cheer. Oh, telling all the king is here. Elephant splashes big and strong, stomping feet to the jungle song. Monkey swings with giggles loud, chattering high, he makes us proud. Zebra trots with stripes so bright, oh, dancing softly in the light. Hippo splashes in the stream, oh, blowing bubbles like a dream. Giraffe eats leaves up in the sky, stretching neck so tall and high. Kangaroo jumps, boing, 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 hopping fast, she loves to spring. Penguin waddles side to side, oh, sliding on the ice with pride. Fox tiptoes in the night, eyes like lanterns shining bright. Bear rolls over big and round, we're playing games upon the ground. Tiger prowls through forest deep, moving quietly without a peep. Rabbit hops with ears so long, oh, singing softly a happy song. Owl goes hoo from a tree, bee, watching night so carefully. Deer skips gently in the shade, prancing lightly through the glade.